Hello guys, Cheesy here. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Glacier race on Scratch. So the first thing you want to do is actually name your title of the Scratch project, Glacier Race, because that is the name of the actual game. Then you want to delete the cat sprite, and then go to choose a sprite, go right here to paint, and just keep it blank. Now you're going to go to code, then you want to go to the events, get the when clicked block. Then you have to go here. No, this one. Broadcast, setup, and wait. Now we have to go over here to the thing right here. Now we have to go to the repeat until block, right? And then we have to make a new variable called. Oh shoot. We have to make a new variable called countdown. So oh shoot. Yeah. So after you rename that, or just make a new sprite called countdown, you're gonna grab the operator's block, and I think it's right here. Now your place is 50 with a 1. Now go to variables, grab this countdown, and put it on the other slot. Then inside of the repeat until, go to the events, and we want to get these 2 broadcast messages and wait. So what we can do, what we can do is that, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make a new message. One is called calculate, and the other is called move. And now that we've done that, we need to go to this one, get the regular one. Do not get the and wait thing. We're gonna make another new message called game over. And now that we have that, we just have to, I believe we have to create 2 new variables, and it's going to be called road y, and then we have to do car speed, and we also have to do countdown. Oh, I already made that. Yeah, I already did that. So I already did countdown, and then we have to do, it looks like, yeah, that's about it. So we're just gonna not do that. And hold on, how do we move this? Okay, there's just a tiny freckle of the button. But yeah, now I have more space to code. Anyways, now we have to put that also in the, it looks like we also have to put this in the game thing. We have to put this in the game code, or game loop, whatever you want to call it. Why can I not type? There we go. Oh shoot, my book just fell. And yeah, now we just have to add some code. Now we have to go over here. When I receive setup, we're gonna go here, set car speed to 5, and then you want to duplicate this, set road y to 0, duplicate it again, and set countdown to 20. And then we have to make another variable called road speed. And oh yeah, after this we have to do a, I think it's right here, reset timer. Now we have to do another one. When I receive calculate, we're gonna set road speed to -5, and then change road y by road speed, just like that. Now we need to go to the control, get the if-then block. Now we need to go over here to the operators, get the less than block. Now change that 50 to negative 360, and then go to the variables, drag this road Y over here. And now that we have that, we need to go to the change, whatever variable Y1, change that to road Y, and then type in 720. So now that we've done that, we can go to the next page, and we need to, oh, where's my mouse? Okay, we need to make a new blank sprite. We need to convert it to bitmap, and we have to go right here, and I'm gonna set this to blue, just like that blue. That's a good blue. We're just gonna need a road for an actual game. Now I want to move this a little bit to over here, just so it's in the middle perfectly. And we're gonna name this Road 1. And then now we actually have to go to the paint bucket thing, change this to white, and fill these in with white, and leave this road empty. Now, basically, yeah, what you want to do, if you want to add some trees, what you can do is that you can grab this paintbrush and make yourself a tree by putting the saturation to a full 100 and brightness to a little bit down. And then you can draw yourself some trees, just some trees. Now we can fill that in. We can add some white to make it look a little bit like it's snowing, you know what I mean? Oh shoot, that was a paint bucket. Now we need to add some white for snow. Now, mine looks a little bit garbage, but it doesn't matter. And we can copy, oh shoot, I didn't copy the whole thing. We can copy paste this. Oh, I don't know, how am I gonna copy paste this? Oh god. Ooh, okay, since it's all just snow, it won't really matter if we copy paste the snow as well, as long as it doesn't get into the road. You see? As long as it's not getting into the road, it won't look like that. So we can just put that one right there. We can paste some more. We can size it down a little bit. Just like so. Just like that. So yeah, that's how you make your trees and the road. And now we need to duplicate this. Basically, yeah, we need to duplicate this. And we kind of just need to do that. Yeah, I know, it looks goofy. Trust the process. Trust the process. Do not worry. But yeah, basically after that, just delete these trees and then you can fill all this in with white again. And yeah. Now we can make some more of these trees. So we can just kind of copy paste it again. Go over here, paste that right here, put one right here. Size it down. And as you can see, now we have another road. And yeah, now we have to add some code to road 1. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here and